What's up, teammates? We back with another video, and as we said we would,
we'll be doing our belly cast today.
Yeah, it's about time.
Yeah.
So before the baby come on out, you need to go ahead and get this cast.
Look at this belly, y'all. Like, we are 38 weeks.
Yeah. She do 10 days.
10 days is my due date, so we like, let's go ahead and get this done now.
She coming tonight. So, this thing says, I've never done this before, so I'm gonna read the instructions.
Hold on. This is, you can get this from Amazon. Sam didn't know nothing about it, but I just always knew.
See, she didn't want to talk about what I ain't know
Sam
already.
didn't know nothing about it, but I always knew. So, we gonna do it today, but we should have lots and lots more baby and family content coming soon. So as always, if you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos.
Let's get into it.
From D-Town to H-Town, you know that I got you, girl. Know that I'm gonna love you forever. It's my town and your town. Now that we're here, we gon' build this empire together. When you smile, I smile. As long as I got you, I'm gon' make sure that you smile forever. You're 2 down, I'm so proud. No matter the weather, we gon' pull through the storms together. You're my queen and I'm your king. You're my love, my everything. You have my heart and yours with me. I'm feeling like it's destiny.
Alright, so I've never done a belly cast, as she was saying, trying to put me on the spot. I don't know nothing about it, but what I can do really well is read directions. So this one here says, you create a real size cast of your baby bump. It's only 3 instructions really.
Yeah, let me show 'em. This is the front of the box, and this is the back. Like he said, it's only 3 instructions or whatever. The glare is probably bad, but you can get this from Amazon. How much you would pay for that? Do you remember?
Like $40.
Yeah, like $40. So.
But yeah, it says it got 5 rolls of plaster tape, belly casting lubricant, plastic drop cloth, 9 latex gloves, and a sanding screen. This sounds like I need to go change my clothes. Sound like I'm about to get dirty.
Yeah, I think you should actually.
All right, let's see.
You might need to change your pants.
Let's say cut strips.
Let me see this while you open the box. Okay, so it has. Oh, this is another language.
So this is the screen that we're talking about. Not sure what this is, nor this.
Oh goodness.
Got me some petroleum jelly.
This feel like tapered, like something.
That's Vaseline, they brand.
Belly lubricant.
Oh, okay, yeah, they said there's 5 rolls of the tape
Okay.
to do your thing. So that's 3 rolls. What you doing? You got more hands, right? You gotta get the other 2 rolls.
I don't have no more hands.
There's the 4th row and the 5th row.
Okay.
All right, and we got gloves. It's time to get to work.
These right here.
Oh, and I got some like some trash bags or some shit. I don't know.
And where are the instructions?
It was on that top page. Yeah, let me see.
These are in a different language.
I can read that language. I can read it. I can read that language. I can read it. Yep.
Okay, what does it say?
Cut strips from the plastic roll. Short strips for breast area. Medium for upper and lower belly. Long for mid belly.
Where are you reading that at?
Dip plaster strip in warm water, one at a time. I told you I could read this language.
Oh,
see, she
no,
playing.
it's not.
She playing. Look,
No.
look. Hey, look, she trying to take
No,
it.
it's the bolded is in English. Okay. So how we look? What it say? Can you repeat it?
It says
Cut
you
strip.
cut the strips from the plaster roll. Short strips for your breast area, the medium for the upper and lower belly, and long for the mid belly.
Okay.
Dip plaster strips in warm water, one at a time.
Okay.
Press each strip onto the casting area. Apply 3 to 4 layers. Strips should overlap. Wait 5 to 10 minutes before removing. Let cast dry for a day. Smooth with sanding screen. Apply protective priming paint.
Okay. So step number 1. Let's start from the beginning.
Go change my pants.
Okay. And can you bring some scissors when you come back, please?
No, I ain't doing all that.
How we gonna?
All right, we back. I done changed my clothes into some stuff to get plaster on. I'm about to throw these gloves on. I got the bowl of warm water. Hold on. Got the bowl of warm water to dip the plaster strips in. It's time to get to work. You ready?
Yeah, I hope it's warm.
It's warm.
Okay.
I know a lot of y'all fellas go through the same thing that I'm going through. And y'all know that look that I just had. Y'all know it. Y'all know it. Hey, baby. Hey. like I'm about to do some real work today. What the fuck?
Okay.
I think these is too small. We're gonna make them work though, cause I ain't putting no plaster on my hands. All right, go ahead. What you doing? You gotta lay down.
I don't lay down, babe. I think I stay.
No. How you gonna sit up and I'm gonna put plaster on your belly? Lay down, please. Let me do this.
Use the tape or something to help you out.
Let me use the float to help me out because you're laying down.
So how you gonna do the?
Oh, sorry. How I'm gonna do the what? All right, we got the belly. Yeah. Make sure everything looks good. Can you see the phone? The way you can make sure.
Oops, sorry.
All right. Dr. Bill going to work. God damn it. Oh. I'll put some music over this shit.
You say you know what you're doing now.
I do. Shit. I mean, it ain't rocket science or nothing. You just gotta figure out what the hell that thing is. Once you figure everything out, you good. Alright, I don't know what this plastic bag is, but we're gonna open it up.
See?
Oh no, I know what. Stand up for me, please. So the plaster don't. It's for the under you, so the plaster don't get on the stuff. I got you. Yeah. Go on, lay down. Go lay down. Lay on down. Easy, relax. Let your daddy do the stuff he's supposed to do.
Drizzy, come up here with your mommy.
So what is the...
Oh, questions, huh?
I can't have questions? Shit.
What is the what?
The lubricant.
Mm-hmm.
What is that shit for?
Petroleum. It say put it on there?
Oh, apply before casting. Yeah. I got it. You relax. I got this.
Step 1. Lubricate.
Lubricate the belly prior to the cast. Need to lubricate this glove. Sheesh. They don't say how much, but they gave me a big old jar for this one little belly.
That's more than enough.
Get the whole area.
That's like what y'all doing out there.
She is, for sure. Alright, and it says, just cut these joints. Sure, it say for the breast area.
Yeah, we supposed to do the breast. We don't have to. We can just do stomach.
Okay. Okay. Cut.
You want me to help you cut them?
Yeah, I mean, as far as structure, you can. I gotta dip it.
Yeah, you can dip them in place and I'll cut them for you.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Ew.
It's like slimy, bro.
Nasty.
That's for sure like slimy as hell. This is supposed to overlap. I'm trying to get it to come all the way out. Okay, I'm gonna do it that way. Cause that one.
I don't think it gotta be perfect, babe. That's why I was trying to like watch a video or something so we can see how to do it. I think you literally just they gonna be wet and slimy.
I know I let it go by accident. See, no, let me do it. Let me do it. That's hell no, hell no, hell no. Yeah, you keep your arms straight. just cut like 3 strips at a time. Just random sizes. They said cut it in a specific strip. What's the name? But I don't care. I'm grown. I the daddy. I is the daddy. All right. No.
I'm glad they did put that plastic. They put the plastic down.
Because that should have been all over the place, like I'm saying. And you definitely wouldn't think it'd be this damn messy from the box.
So,
Oh shit.
we are now at the end of our pregnancy journey. What's your, like, how do you feel about it? Are you excited that we're almost done? Do you feel like the journey was kind of long and whatever?
I think the journey was long, probably because it was just like our first time. I don't know, but I'm glad it's coming to an end. I'm ready to meet our baby.
Don't forget about this side of it too.
Yeah, I'm ready to meet our baby and yeah, just experience life as a parent, honestly.
Like, we're about to be whole parents and shit. It's
We was just expats, like no kid free, you know what I'm saying? And it just switched like overnight. They give you plenty roles of this shit though. You can do this casting probably multiple times. With 5 rolls of this shit? Who barely that damn did?
well, you gotta like layer it.
Oh yeah, it did say 3 layers each.
Being a parent is like there's no rule books or nothing. You just gotta
Figure that shit out.
figure it out and hope that you're doing the best.
So who determines if you're doing a good job or not?
I don't know. I think it just depends on like your child. If your child is succeeding and excelling and
But some people think their children succeeding and excelling might have all F's. They alive, so shit, they succeeding and excelling. They got new Jordans.
well, in that case, then they are doing a good job to them.
Also, it's just to whoever it may concern.
I guess it's to the parents.
To whomever it may concern.
smooth. There you go.
Okay, guys, this is the finished product, as you can see. We could have I feel like I could do a couple more layers, but this is good for us. I think it's based on like what you want, but for us, I feel like this is good. She's starting to get uncomfortable.
And all we gotta do now is just let it dry.
Yeah, you have to let it sit and dry on you for a few minutes. And then
once it's dry, you can take it off and sand it and paint it or whatever you want to do with it. But I think we're just gonna let it dry, maybe sand it or whatever. But I just wanted the belly cast so I could, you know, have it and just look back like, dang, this how big my belly was. So yeah, I can already feel it getting like
hard.
Yeah, it's already getting hard. When we take it off, I'll probably try to like record that part. Hopefully it come off right. But other than that, that's about it.
Well, we appreciate you guys tuning in to another one of our adventures. Hopefully you guys stayed the entire time, and if you did, we really appreciate you.
Yep, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos.
Until next time.
Peace. So this is the final product. This is the big old belly. Let me see how it look on me.
Turn to the side.
Do it look like it?
You silly.
It ain't my belly. Okay. All done.
So yeah,
now we have something to keep for a long time.
So that's what it look like.
It's really hard.
Turn it around, put it on the inside. It's like, you can't really tell, but it's like real deep.
Yeah, it's hollow and then it's deep, yeah. We can put some soup in there or something. I don't know.
And it's hard. So
yeah.
After it dry, that's what you can expect.
It to get hard and then you can save it. And you can sand it down and make it smooth if you want it to be smoother, but you don't have to. We haven't smoothed it out. We haven't sanded it down, so it is what it is.